Hey student, watch this video and learn 7 different expressions with the verb take. Coming up. Hey friends, Teacher Prix here to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. Well, first and foremost, thank you so much for watching this lesson. If it's your first time around here, well, I invite you to subscribe because from Monday to Friday, I have many different kinds of English lessons to help you become a better and more confident English speaker. And if you are already subscribed, that's awesome. Hit the like button and let's get down to business, my friends. 7 different expressions with the verb take that you have to know. Because the expressions I chose for you guys tonight or today, I don't know when you're watching this, are very popular. Native speakers use these expressions, these phrases in everyday conversations. So you should start using them as well. And hey, before I start showing you the expressions, make sure to stay until the end because we're gonna have a rapid fire moment where I ask you 3 questions and you have to answer them as quickly as possible. But how do I do that, Priscilla? Well, while you're watching the video, answer here in your mind, or you can talk to me. I won't be listening to you, I'm sorry. But answer the questions as quickly as possible. Try to understand the question. And then in the comments, answer the first thing that comes to your mind. I will ask you 3 questions using the expressions I'm teaching you. So rapid fire means I'm going to ask you questions very quickly, and you have to answer the first thing that comes to your mind, of course, connected with the question, okay? So stay until the end. Here we go. First one, take a while. When something takes a while to happen, it means it takes more time. It takes longer than you expect. So whenever you use this expression, you want to give that idea. Of course, if you're using this phrase in an affirmative sentence. So if you say something is going to take a while, you mean that this thing that is going to happen is going to take more time. It's going to take longer than you anticipated, than you expect, okay? Now, here's an example. That's strange. James took a while to return my phone call, but he told me he's okay. So maybe I'm talking to a friend. I was worried about James. I called him, but time passed by, and only after a long time or more time than I imagined, more time than I expected, that he finally called me and told me that he was okay. So James took a while to return my phone call. But thank God, he's okay. Another example. It'll take a while to get the system back on. So maybe you're using your computer at work and all of a sudden, everything stops working. The system goes down. So you call IT support and they tell you, hey, we're working on this, but it's going to take a while to get the system back on. So this happens, my friends. So here, what I'm trying to say is it's going to take a while to get the system back, on. So it's going to be some time, we're going to need some time to make the system start working again, okay? And another example. Are you sure you want to wait? This may take a while. So maybe you have a problem with your phone and you go somewhere to get it fixed. And then the person looks at you and says, look, I can fix your cell phone, but maybe you should come back tomorrow. No, I want to wait. Are you sure? This is going to take a while. This is going to take me some time, more time than you imagine, more time than you expect. Okay? Moving on, number 2, because we got a lot of expressions today. Take someone's advice. Take my advice, my friend, to follow someone's recommendation, someone's suggestion, okay? So when you take someone's advice, it means you are following someone's recommendation, someone's suggestion, someone's opinion or idea. So here's an example. Why don't you take my advice and get a new job? So why don't you follow my recommendation and get a new job? So my recommendation is get a new job. So why don't you follow my recommendation? Why don't you follow my suggestion? Why don't you take my advice and get a new job? This is actually a very common structure native speakers use. Why don't you take my advice and do this, then that, okay? You are miserable here. You're not happy. Find something you love. So maybe I'm having a conversation with a colleague, and my friend at work, my colleague, is not happy. So I tell him, hey, take my advice and find a new job. You're not happy here. You are super talented. I'm sure you're going to find something you love. And another example. Maybe I'm talking to my friend and I look at her and say, hey, I took your advice and got a new haircut. What do you think? Do you like it? So maybe I'm talking to a friend and maybe this friend gave me some recommendations and she told me, hey, why don't you get a new haircut? You know, it would be great on you. And then I think about it and I analyze it. So I decide to take my friend's advice. So I can tell her, hey, I took your advice and I got a new haircut. What do you think? Number 3, take a medicine. When you're feeling sick or you have a headache or maybe you have a cold, you usually take some kind of medication. You take a medicine, okay? So maybe I can look at you and I can say, hey, how are you feeling? Have you taken any meds? And here I shortened medicine and I put it in the plural, meds. Okay, have you taken any meds? That's a very common question, okay? So here I adapted the expression a little, but in essence it means to take a medicine, to take something to help you feel better, okay? Another example, maybe you are at work, I look at you and you look terrible, so I can say, hey, you don't look so good. Why don't you take a medicine or go home? So that is a good expression for you guys. Expression number 4, take notes. That's something I always tell you guys to do whenever you watch my lessons here on my channel, because this is not simply a video, this is a lesson. And to take notes means to grab a pen and write down information while you are watching, while you are listening or watching a lesson or a lecture, because you want to review some points. So you take notes, you write down some observations, some quick explanations. So that is a very important thing. So here is an example. Hey students, are you taking notes? You should. Exams are coming. Final exams are coming. So you should be taking notes. Just saying. There you have it. And hey, if you're enjoying this lesson, make sure to hit the like button, because that way I know that this is a good lesson for you. It gives me ideas to come here and keep creating good lessons for you guys. The next one, number 5, to take pride in. Oh, I like this one. To take pride in means to be proud of something. Now, what is the word proud supposed to mean? Proud is an adjective, okay? It's how you feel about yourself whenever you do a good job, whenever you succeed in something, whenever you feel pleasure or satisfaction because you achieved the goal. So you feel proud of yourself. I am a proud teacher. Yes. So to take pride in means to be proud of something, okay? So here's an example. I take pride in my work. So basically what I'm saying is I feel proud of myself, okay? I feel proud of my work. I feel satisfaction. I feel satisfied with the work I do. I feel good about that, I'm proud of myself. Another example, we take pride in being part of this community. So maybe I'm talking about my community and I feel honored, I feel proud to be part of that community. Okay, so to be proud of something, we take pride in being part of that community is a very good expression, take pride in. So tell me, what do you take pride in? Now, number 6, take your time. When you tell someone to take your time, you mean that this person is going to do something slowly or spend as much time as the person needs, in doing something, okay? So I don't want you to hurry up, relax. Follow your rhythm. Do it slowly. I'm okay. I have time to wait. So you tell someone to do something slowly because you are okay. You don't mind. So here's an example. Maybe I gave you a job proposal. I gave you a job offer, but you are not sure whether it is a good offer or not. So you look at me and you're like, well, Priscilla, I don't know, this is a great offer. And I'm like, hey, take your time. You don't need to give me an answer right now, okay? Take your time, think about it. So here I'm telling someone to, hey, go slowly. I don't need an answer today. You can think about it. Take your time, okay? And finally, number 7. Hey, take a chill pill, yo. Take a chill pill means to relax, to calm down. It is a very informal expression, okay? When I tell someone to take a chill pill, I'm telling them to relax, to calm down. That's why it is often used in imperative sentences. I'm giving a command. I'm telling someone, hey, calm down. But in a more informal way, hey, take a chill pill. Priscilla, what is a pill? This is a pill, okay? So take a relaxing, a chill pill. Of course, this doesn't exist. So I'm just metaphorically saying take a chill pill, take a chill pill, relax. But that's what I'm trying to say. Hey, relax. Everything is okay. So it's usually used as a command. I'm telling someone, hey, relax. Take a chill pill. Everything's gonna be okay. So here's an example. Hey, whoa, why are you so mad at me? Take a chill pill. Let me explain what happened. So maybe someone did something and the other person is mad, screaming like crazy. So you can look at the person and say, hey, take a chill pill. What happened? What's going on? Okay? Are you ready for the rapid fire moment? Yes? So here we go. Number 1, do you take notes when you watch English lessons? Yes or no? And why? Number 2, what do you take pride in? Tell me why. Number 3, how do you feel when you're angry and people tell you to take a chill pill? Let me know here in the comments, my friend. So these are the 3 rapid fire moments. These are the questions I want you to answer here in the comments. Here you can see the questions as well. Other than that, if you enjoyed this lesson, if you learned something new, if I helped you out, help me out, bro. Share this lesson with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.